What if a computer could help your doctor find an illness before symptoms even appear? Sounds futuristic, right? But it's already happening, thanks to artificial intelligence. Hi, I'm Cynthia, your digital guide to the world of AI. Today, we're diving into how AI is helping diagnose diseases and how it's transforming modern medicine, one scan at a time. AI doesn't magically know what a disease looks like, it's trained. Doctors feed it thousands of medical images so it learns to recognize signs of illness, like a digital student learning from experience. AI can analyze scans like X-rays, MRIs, and CT images in seconds. It looks for tiny irregularities, like a small shadow on a lung or a subtle pattern in brain tissue, that might take hours for a human to notice. Some AIs can spot disease even before doctors can see it, detecting early signs of cancer, heart disease, or diabetes from data patterns alone. That gives patients a better chance for early treatment and recovery. AI doesn't stop at images. It also studies medical records, lab results, and vital signs to find hidden connections, helping doctors make sense of complex patient histories faster. In emergency rooms, AI tools can alert doctors instantly if a patient's condition is critical. Think of it as an extra set of digital eyes, monitoring, analyzing, and helping doctors respond faster. But here's the key. AI doesn't replace doctors. It supports them. The final judgment, empathy, and treatment decisions always come from humans. AI provides insights, but people provide care. Would you trust an AI-assisted diagnosis? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you feel about technology playing a role in your healthcare. From detecting diseases early to supporting doctors in real time, AI is giving healthcare a powerful new tool, one that saves time and in many cases, saves lives. In our next episode, I'll show you how robots and AI are entering the operating room and why that's great news for surgeons and patients alike. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more AI stories. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.